we getting ready to make this delicious taco dip. Well, really, it's a taco dip with the skin on it with a little Italian. So we got some pepperoni. So I have some cheese, of course. So this is the fresh mixed greens, and we're gonna chop this up as finely as we can get it. I'm starting off with the greens. The cream cheese spread is the whip because I need it to be easily spreaded. Okay. So we got that spreaded. I think that's the name of it. It's the cheese. The diced tomatoes rotel. I love pepperoni. Pepperoni. Oh, it smells so good. Cut it up roughly chopped. Pepperoni. Let's do the tomatoes. Sour cream. Just the... Yeah. Now we got the tomatoes. Got the tomatoes. I want some onions. Some onion, sweet onion. Some onion. Some black olives. A little bit more of the green. Then we're going to add some jalapenos to make it spicy. Spicy, baby. Some jalapenos. Y'all don't like this. This is a taco dip. Want to get it out the bowl. Okay, y'all. And mash. So we're going to put... Oh, look at the layers. We got the layers going. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour, just so it can set. And when I flip it out the bowl, it'll be perfect. The bowl is very cold. Let's pull it out and okay. Okay, we're going to, just like a cake if you're flipping it out of the pan. Okay. So, yes, baby. Yes. Okay. And what we're going to do is sit down. Up. Let me find the pretty spot. There you go. Pepperoni taco dip. If you keto, you can eat it with the peppers. If not, eat it with the chips. Now,